Morning, morning, morning to everyone, and to everyone a good morning. It's Wednesday, hump day, Wednesday. But yes, I am here. I have got up this morning because I'm getting ready to go exercise in my fitness workout class, and I'm going to be a little bit tired after this because the instructor, she don't play no games, and it's an older people that are way older than me that are off in the group, and they be getting down. It's a workout session, but it's much needed, of course, and much needed. But that's how I am starting my day. I thought it was going to be pouring down rain because I was looking at the forecast last night that I was going to probably have to do a little workout session at the house. Because that's what, for some reason, if I don't end up coming to work out, I'll just work out at home. But, yeah, and last time I forgot my bottle of water because, I needed it. But I remembered this time I got me a bottle of water. I got to remember every time to get me a bottle of water. But, yeah, that is what my day is getting ready to be about for now, is me working out. Hello, hello, hello again, everyone. I am back here at the house. The workout was good. It was a really good workout. I got that in, and I'm going to try my best to keep that up, with me doing that at least twice a week. Me doing my workout, but yeah, I made it back here to the house. Stopped and got me something to eat, and I'm finna get my creative juices flowing and do some writing so I can record a couple of songs. I'm gonna do that, and I tried what is it called? The eucalyptus or whatever it's called. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I was so nervous about getting on that because that thing, if you haven't gotten on that exercise machine or whatever, that thing really works your legs out. It really do. You can feel it. But I was nervous about getting on it, so I didn't stay on it long. I probably stayed on it about 2 minutes. I just wanted to see how I would do if I would get on it, and everything turned out all right for me by me getting on it. But yeah, another day. Another day of calories burned. But I was gonna try to work out a little bit longer, but I didn't want to push myself because the very first time I went to go work out, I caught myself thinking that it would be okay for me to work out for like 2.5 hours, and that didn't turn out good because I was so tired and slept most of the day when I got home. So that it's not a good idea to be burning yourself out like that. But I stayed there. The group workout class is like 45 minutes, and she work you out. I mean, the instructor, she's so good. She work you out. She'll tell you to take a water break, and right when you turn the water up, she'll be like, okay, let's go. She's on it, but I enjoy it. It's really good for me, so that's why I said I would just rather do that. It's so much to do, different types of classes, but the group workout class, it really gets you going. So, but that's 45 minutes, and then I went over. And I went ahead on off inside the, I went ahead on and got on the, well, no, I didn't get on the treadmill because I was starting to feel it. I was like, I'm not going to burn myself out. I was kind of starting to feel a bit tired. So I just kind of just worked my upper body a little bit with my arms and stuff. And I did like I said, the eucalyptus or whatever it's called. I got on that for about 2 minutes, and I already started feeling it in my legs when I was on it for 2 minutes. But, yep. But don't give up. Keep going. You know, we are human, but you just have to just, you know, keep telling yourself every day, any day, and all day, you know, that you're going to get through it. Because like when I had got on the treadmill one day and I was like, I'm going to go for 15 minutes. Then I was trying to cut myself short and said, no, I'm not going to do 15. I'll do 10. But when I got to 10, I was like, no. I just stopped and took a break. And then I finished my 5 minutes. I didn't just give up. So don't give up. Just pace yourself. Take your time. Do what you have to do for you. Do what you have to do for you to go ahead on and push through. Okay, and if your day didn't start off great, make it great. It's not too late. Okay. Bye.